Number 8, we have a fraction in front of parentheses. That means we're going to distribute every term. Same thing with this 3 on the other side of the equal sign. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 8L minus negative 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 4, that would be 12. Carry down our 3 over 8L. Carry down our minus 12. Equals 3 times 1L is 3L. 3 times negative 14 is negative 42. Carry down our plus 9L. Carry down our minus 10. Okay, let's go ahead and combine like terms. So let's look at our variables. We have 8L and 3/8 L. Now we can't add these yet. 8L plus 3 over 8L. Whenever we have a whole number, you can always put 1 underneath. Now, to add these, we have to have a common denominator, a common name. So 1 times something will give you 8. 1 times 8 would give you 8. So we'll go ahead and multiply the top and the bottom by 8. And then 8 times 1 would give you 8. So we'll multiply these by 1. Well, 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 times 1 is 8. So we have 64L over 8 plus 3L over 8. Now we're ready to add our fractions. 64L plus 3L is 67L. And then for the denominators, when we add or subtract fractions, it will remain the same. It's the same name. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and add our constants. Minus 12 and minus 12. That will be negative 24. Okay, now let's look at the other side. So we have a 3L and a plus 9L. Together that will give you 12L. Okay, we have a minus 42 and a minus 10. That will give you a minus 52. From here, let's go ahead and isolate the L's. So let's add 52 to both sides of the equal sign. 52 minus 52 is 0. And 52 minus 24 is 28. Carry down everything else. 67L over 8. Plus sign. And 12L. Okay, now let's go ahead and subtract our 67L over 8. And just like before, we're going to have to change this fraction right here. We put 1 at the bottom, and we're going to multiply by 8 to get the same denominator. And we'll multiply these by 1 to get 8. So that's 0. Break down the 28. 12 times 8 is 96. So we have 96L minus 67L all over 8 is equal to 28. Let's go ahead and get rid of this fraction. The opposite of dividing by 8 would be multiplying by 8. Eight divided by 8 is 1. And then we have let's go ahead and put 96L minus 67L is 29L. From here, we'll just divide both sides by 29. Both sides of that equal sign. 29 divided by 29 is 1. So our answer is 224 over 29. Now you can change that into a mixed number. If you divide 224 divided by 29, we get 7 remainder 21. So our mixed number will be L equals 7 and 21/29.